how to live stream matches, games, or anything else you're doing using your phone screen. This free app works by allowing you to stream directly from your camera or screen, whether through Facebook or YouTube. There are many platforms you can use for live streaming, but today's explanation will focus on Facebook and YouTube. It's simple, my friend. Understand the concept first so no one comments saying it's not suitable for live streaming matches or games. Just follow my instructions. When you live stream your phone screen, you can access any match on Google or YouTube, and it will also be live streamed. How does it work? Select Screen, then select Facebook. Tap on Facebook. You need to connect to or log into your Facebook account within the app. When you tap on Facebook, this interface will appear. Log into your account. After logging in, select Facebook, then choose Screenshot. Next, click Start to begin live streaming your phone screen. It will then ask for permissions: microphone, camera, notifications, location, music, etc. Click OK. Once again, grant it permissions to appear on top of other apps. Without these permissions, the live stream won't start, as you can see. There's a very important point here. It says you have a live stream. When you have a live stream, it means the live broadcast won't start. To start, click on Live, then click on Start. Now the live stream is created. We click on Create. You can choose, for example, edit, a thumbnail for the title, a thumbnail for the live stream, a thumbnail for your live stream, and also a title. Here, privacy should be public, and here, quality, etc. Click on Create, which means creating the live stream. Then click Allow. Wait a little while, and our live stream will start. Now, as you can see, our live stream has started. Live streaming requires an internet connection or Wi-Fi. For example, we should adjust our screen settings like this, and the live stream will appear as follows. For transparency, this is the page I'm using to create the live stream, as you can see. And here's the live stream appearing on the page I created the live stream from.